Ben here from PaxPower Performance Trucks in Houston, Texas, and we are known for building the trucks the OEMs won't. So if you're an F-150 guy and you're looking for a performance off-roader, you've got the Raptor and the Raptor R. If you're a Ram guy, you've got the RHO and the TRX. But what do you do if you're a GMC Sierra fan? Well, you call PaxPower. What we have here is our GMC Jackal build for the current generation Sierras. The one we started with here is a 2025 AT4X model, which is awesome with its Multimatic shocks and off-road goodies like the front and rear locking differentials. This also has one of the best interiors in the game with its white piping on the seats and suede headliner. But you don't have to start with this model. We can start with any trim Sierra from a Elevation AT4 all the way up to the range-topping Denali Ultimate. The first thing we do to make a Jackal is remove the factory GMC fenders and bedsides. And then we come in with our 3-inch wider versions, bodywork and paint those. And we're able to get really sharp body lines, really good fitment, good door gaps, just a really awesome finished product. And we also add our fender liners, which are a really big innovation. They bolt in to our larger, wider fenders and are vastly superior and tougher than anything that comes on a factory truck. The next step is to remove the factory suspension and replace the upper and lower control arms, the axles, everything with our longer arm and longer travel system. This system features a fabricated boxed lower arm, a billet upper arm, and in this case the customer stuck with the Multimatic shocks, but you can add an aftermarket Fox or King if you wanted to. When you take this system, which is 3 inches longer per arm, gives us about 11.5 inches of travel. When you add that up on each side and factor in the wider wheels and the 35 or 37 inch tires, you end up with a track width that's over 9 inches wider than stock. With this wider body, wider suspension, larger wheels and tires, you end up with a truck that has a look and presence unlike anything on the road. Ford makes so many Raptors that they're commonplace now. They're just normal. If you see a Ram TRX from 50 feet away, it's mistaken as a Ram Rebel. There's no way you're gonna mistake this for anything other than a GMC Jackal from PaxPower. Just like you can perform this Jackal build on any trim GMC Sierra, you can also perform it with any engine drivetrain combination, whether that be the 3.0 liter Duramax diesel, the small 5.3 liter V8, but most of you are gonna go with the 6.2 liter V8 that comes in a lot of these higher end GMC Sierras. And those of you that want to compete with the Raptor Rs and the Ram TRXs of the world, we've got a solution for you. You're going to add this supercharger right here. This is our Whipple 3.0 liter system. Takes it from about 420 horsepower to over 650. And let me tell you, we get awesome reliability and awesome drivability out of these, and they sound really good when combined with a Borla exhaust out back. Makes PaxPower different from our competitors, Shelby, Hennessy, is that every one of their trucks looks the same. Same graphics, same wheels and tires, same bumpers, same trim truck. At PaxPower, we encourage you to make your trucks your own. This customer did things like power steps from AMP. He elected to have a 20-inch wheel instead of a 17-inch wheel and picked the design. Or maybe you want to do something completely outside of the box. This customer wanted a fabricated front bumper. but no one makes them for the new AT4Xs. So we took one from Addictive Desert Design, chopped off all the mounting brackets for it, and made it work with this new 2025 GMC AT4X front end, and we'd be happy to do something custom like this for you. Let's say after watching this, you're interested in one of these and maybe want to get one of your own. The first thing is to always call PaxPower. If you don't have a truck, we have dealers and we can help you find one. We can also finance the truck, the upgrade all in one. Let's say you have an AT4X or a Sierra at home and you want to modify it. We can transport it from you to us and back. Whatever the situation may be, whatever the build may be, the first step is always give us a call.